What I'm going to be teaching you is a phase diagram. Well, a phase diagram in the first place is what helps you to determine whether the compound is in its, well, what state of matter, like solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, so here's a rough sketch of a phase diagram. Now, usually a phase diagram looks like this. You can't tell which one is a solid, liquid, or gas, or anything. So to determine whether or not this is a solid, liquid, or gas, like where are the regions of it, you just basically read left to right, solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, in the x and y axes, this is usually a temperature. Temperature is usually based on Kelvin, Celsius, or any other kind of pressure they'll give you. And pressure would be atmospheric pressure, torr, or mmHg. This intersection right here is called the triple point. The triple point is where all three is at: solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, so this one's another type of phase diagram, different from the previous one I showed you, but all phases are different. All phase diagrams are different depending on the compound. Now, you're probably wondering why I color-coded it. The reason why I color-coded it is that just like states, they have boundaries. These lines right here, they are called phase boundaries. Okay, you can't be here, let's say this is the land of solid, liquid, and gas. You can't be in the land of solid, go into the land of gas, and say that I am still a solid. You cannot break me. No, it's not like that. So, like people, when they move, they go through a type of change. Well, these people right here goes through a type of change, phase change. From Gen Chem, you probably learned about what happens to a solid, liquid, or gas. And it shows also in the phase diagram. Right here is the same exact thing, but a little bit more confusing. It's not shown in a regular graph like I showed you the first one. You have to know it. So when A turns into C, well, solid turns into gas, it sublimates, sublimation. Okay? Now here's a practice problem. Now what you're going to do is that, okay, so what if I say it's at 197.5 K and we raise the pressure to 5.2, what state of matter is it in? So what you do is basically you make the 2 points meet the x and y axes. So you go up 197.5 and all the way up to 5.2. That shows what state of matter it is, which is A, also known as solid. So now say that they want to raise the temperature to 304.25. What you simply do, if they're keeping the pressure, is make a dotted line to 304.25. Okay, this guy is moving because he's sick of being a solid and he's changing into a gas. Okay, so that's really my video. I really hoped I helped, and it will make you feel like you got this in class. Okay, bye.